In the UAE, every milestone tells a story. A story of vision, dedication, and unity. In our work, we reflect the values of this great nation. Each plan we draw, each idea we share, builds the foundation for something greater by employees. For me, the UAE is a place of dreams. A country where innovation has no limits. Where unity brings strength.
Development,
vision,
success, leadership,
future, dreams,
growth,
sustainability,
achievement,
excellence.
Together, we celebrate 53 years of growth and look ahead to an even brighter future.